Hey folks, welcome to PamTen's restaurant. And in today's video, we'll learn how to make perfect hard-boiled eggs. Sorry. Actually, welcome to PamTen's YouTube channel. And in today's video, we'll teach you all about data science through this process of making hard-boiled eggs. Now, I'll start off about data science through this very simple example. So, all of you would have heard this website, Instagram. Now, whenever you upload a photo on Instagram, what are you actually doing? Well, you're uploading data, isn't it? And when we use certain scientific methods on this data, we're able to find out valuable information. And this is the basic process of data science. And now, we have a basic idea of what data science is, we'll go through the entire life cycle of data science through this process of boiling eggs. So let's get started. Now, the first phase in this data science life cycle is called as data acquisition, where we collect data from different sources. So here I have my egg pack, and you see I have different types of eggs. So my first step would be to collect eggs. So let's say this brand is called XYZ. So I have X from XYZ, and then there's a brand as ABC. I have X from ABC. So I get X from all of these different brands and I put them at one place. So I have acquired data. Now, once I have acquired data, I need to find the right X. So when I say I need to find the right X, what I actually mean is I need to find the right data for my data science process. Because if you're actually working with incorrect data, you will get incorrect results. And if I want to make perfect hard-boiled eggs, I need to find the perfect raw material for me so that the end result would be good. So I've collected all of the data and I've made sure that all of my eggs are good. So what I'll do here is I actually have a bowl of water along with me. So let's say if any of these eggs are untidy, what I'll do is I will first clean my data. So I've put my eggs in this water so that my eggs are cleaned. So first step, collect all of your raw data. Second step, make sure that your raw data is cleaned up. It is in the tidy format. Now, once that is done, we have all of our data at the right place and we have ensured that the data is clean. This is where we go ahead and build our model. So this is the model building process, or we can also call this the machine learning process. Now, what exactly is machine learning? Consider this to be a black box. So this, my friends, is the black box that I have. And what I'll do is I'll take one of these hard-boiled eggs and put this in this machine and I'll close this black box. Now, when we close this black box, this will magically give me the end result. So this is how a model building works. So all I have to do is put in my raw data, do some scientific jargon, add some scientific technicalities over here, and then this will give me the end result, which is a hard boiled egg. So this was the next step in our process. Now we have to ensure that the end result which we've got is actually correct or not. So this is where we'll do some knowledge finding. So what I have to do is, now that I have this egg, I'd have to break this up and open to find some interesting analysis. So I'll cut this up. So I've cut this egg open. Now I have to see what information can I from this egg. So now that I have this, what I have to do is I have found the information. Now I have to show this information to my clients, to my stakeholders in a pretty fashion. So what I'll do is I also have salt and pepper with me. So I'll add some pepper, I'll add some salt, and we have our end dish ready. Now, what we have to do is we can just go ahead and serve this up to our clients. So this is the entire process of data science where we start off by collecting the raw material, then we clean it up, and then we finally go ahead and do some scientific process, which is the main part of our data science lifecycle, where we are actually putting the data into a black box and the black box gives us a result. Now, from this result, we actually find if this makes sense or not. If it does not, we redo the entire cycle. And then once we get a meaningful result, we go ahead and show this data with beautiful graphs or visualizations to our clients, stakeholders. So this, friends, is the entire process of data science. Thank you, and hopefully you've enjoyed the video.